Alright guys, you're welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to design a landing page with Elementor. Alright, how to design a landing page with Elementor. That is what we'll be focusing on tonight. Alright, a landing page simply speaks well for your product, just like a way of describing your product. Okay, a landing page is used to sell a product, to promote an offer, or to promote a training that you are trying to organize. Okay, so if today is the first time of coming to my channel, do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So without wasting much of our time, I will just take you through straight to the process. First of all, you need to have a domain and have your WordPress installed. So as you can see, this is a new WordPress installed on the particular web, on this website you are seeing here. Okay, so with that, now you can see that there is nothing on the site. All right, so there's nothing on the site. So what you need to do is to install the plugin called Elementor, or have to install the two. There's Elementor and there's Elementor Pro. So we install the two particular plugins I'm talking about. So first of all, we want to install a plugin. You click on plugins, you click on add new. All right, click on add new, and you click on upload plugin. Then I'll click on choose file. So these are the process you need to install a plugin from your system. Click on plugin, click on add new, click on upload, then click on choose file. So I'm installing the plugin from my system. So once I click on it, I go straight to my system, go to my desktop, and I go to my themes. I think, okay, my themes here. Where is it? My themes. Then I come to, just type it there, Elementor. I think. Oh, sorry, just type. I see there's Elementor. Just the Elementor installed. Click on install. Right. So once installed, I activate. Then I install the Elementor Pro. Then we begin the process. Guys, it's going to be a simple training that will show you everything you need to know. Okay, so I will urge you, I will beg you to stay from the beginning of this training to the end, because so that you won't miss any step. Because if you fail to do that, you might miss a step, and that might not give you your desired result. Right, so you just have to stay from the beginning of this video and watch it to the end. And once you do, I also have a special gift for you once you watch the video to the end. So I think it's going to be a win-win thing. You get and I get. Right, so let's just wait for this to install. Once you do that, you begin the process. All right, so you can see that the plugin has been installed successfully. So the next is for us to activate. You can see activate here. All right, click on activate. Right, so activate the plugin. Okay, the plugin has been activated. So the next thing for us to do is to install the pro version of the Elementor. So click on it again, click on add new, click on upload. Right, then you click on choose file. Okay, so once you click on choose file, just wait for it to load up. Then we install the Elementor Pro. Right, you can see the Elementor Pro. I'll do that. Okay, you can see the Elementor Pro. I will install. So there are two Elementor. We have the normal Elementor and we have the Elementor Pro. So you need these two plugins for you to be able to work with Elementor effectively. So you can see that this has been installed successfully again. So you click on activate plugin. All right, now that you are done installing the plugin I will be using, the last plugin I would like us to install is Classic Editor. But before I do that, let me show you something. If you click on add new, if you click on pages and you click on add new, right, click on add new, the interface looks organized. Right, the interface looks anyhow. You can see the way the interface is. So with the help of that Classic Editor, it will arrange the interface in an organized manner. So let's just click on, let me do it again. So you can see that this is how it is. So let me go back and click on, let me go and install the plugin. I'll go to plugin again, I'll click on add new. All right, then this is the Classic Editor. You can see it. You always install it for every new installation you do on your WordPress. Make sure you install this Classic Editor. All right, so once this is done, we can begin the process. Hope you are getting value from this particular video. Please do well to hit the thumb up and turn on the notification bell. I'll always give you quality content to consume. All right, so now let's activate. Okay, good. Now that you have done this, let's begin the process. So for us to begin designing a landing page, let me just show you a few examples of how a landing page is. All right, let me go to Facebook. Okay, let me go to Facebook. Let me go to Facebook /ads/library. You can see that. Let me show you. Let's get one or two landing page we can practice with. Okay, so if you come to this site, Facebook /ads/library, this is where you see the latest ad that people are running on Facebook. Okay, latest ad that people are running. Let me see OSA, if I can see anything regarding OSA. Okay, let me search for that. Okay, these are different adverts on OXA. Right, so let me see this. This one is saying OXA. All right, let me see this one. Let me open this one up. Okay, let me still look for one more. Okay, better name. Let me see this. Okay, let me see if I can get on the landing page. Okay. So let me get. All right, so that one again. Can I use this? All right, let me see this too. Let me see this one. All right, look at this now. You can see what this one is saying here. You can see this product now. This is a picture. Still loading. You can see this one. All right, so I think I would prefer to work with this. All right, prefer to work with this and this video, these images and everything. So now that I've gotten the sample of what we are going to design, let's begin the process. So the first thing for us to do, since I'm using this, let me just bring them closer. So the first thing for us to do is to go to pages and click on add new, because we are designing something fresh. You can see what I was telling you. Come to add new, then let me just say test. All right, let me just say OSA 1, or let me just OSA 1. So once you give your page a name, then you click on publish. All right, then you click on edit with Elementor. All right, so do that. Click on edit Elementor. That is the first thing. Give your page a name, then click on publish. You hit on edit, whichever this thing you are using. But in this case, we are using Elementor. So you see now, you can see how it looks like. It looks empty. So the next thing is to come down here. You can see where it says settings. Or you can see settings. You click on these settings. Come down to this part. Come down to page layout and select Elementor canvas. Once you click on Elementor canvas update, you can see that there is nothing on it. All right, it looks blank. So in this format, you can design your landing page to appear. But if you look at this particular landing page now, let me show you. There is no header and there is also no footer. You can see there's no footer here. There's no footer. So now let me show you what we're going to do. Right, this content is protected. Let me see this one. Wow, this one is also protected. Wow. So let me go if I can see something different, because that content, you can't use that. The content is protected. You can see it. I will show you how you can also protect your content in this landing page too. Right, you can see the content is protected. Right, so let me see. All right, let me just so that this video won't be too long, let me just pause this video and get a good landing page we can work with. Alright, so we'll be using this particular landing page to design what we are about to do. So this particular one, so first of all, like I showed you before, I think this is okay, this is it. Let me take it this way. Alright, so the first thing is you can see these two elements. If you want to add anything, you click on this plus sign. If you click on it now, so you see this is single, double, triple, and depending on the pattern you want. So if you look at this particular style here, just a text, image, text, image, image, like that. So let's go. So if you come over to this place now, I'm doing the first one. Click on it, you can see it there. Then I'll click on title, you can see it. This is, you drag it here. Alright, you can do that. So you can highlight. Then this is for position. Then come over to this place. Let me start from. So I will copy this now. You can see it. Copy. Right, come here. You can see this section here. You can see it at this left hand side. So I will paste. Can you see it's that easy? So since I've done that, if you come to this style, anything at all you want to do is from style. Alright, this is for content, style, advanced. So I'll be showing you as we progress. So this color is what you are seeing here. If you don't like the color, you can change it. You can see the color. Alright, then you have what is called typography, where you can change the font family, the size, the weight, and other transformation. Now let me show you. This is the font we are using, Roboto. So let's change it to a different one. If I change to this now, can you see the way it is? I think I like this. Rosario, okay. Then you can see this now. If you want to increase it, if you want to reduce it, can you see that? Then if you also come down to weight, depending on weight, talks about how thick do you want it to be. If you come here now, can you see this? If I come to 8 on 900, can you see that? Then you have what is called transform. Transform, if you want it to be uppercase, that's capital letter, small letter, capitalized. If I say, can you see that? It's easy. Then you have decoration. Decoration talks about if you want line through, can you see it's something like stroke. If you want underline, if you want what else again? If you want, that's overline, rather overline. You have underline, can you see it? So that is what you have there. Then the next thing is you have line height. If you want, just you can see the, can see it, can see these things we are talking about. It's easy. That's for the first one. So I don't want any line. I'll just say default. I'm okay. So the next thing is image. Okay, I still have all that text down. I will still copy this. Come back here again. So if I want to duplicate this, I can duplicate. Just right click on it and click on duplicate. Okay, you can see it now. Duplicate. Ctrl A, Ctrl V. I like this. Can you see it now? It's very easy. It's very easy. Okay. So if I'm done with this now, maybe peradventure as you are building, you want to change the background color. Alright, you want to change the background color. Click on this sys icon here. Click on it. Then come to advanced. Rather, let me come to style. Let me see. Okay, rather, sorry. If you click on this icon here, you click on style, then come to background. You can see background here. This is basic color, gradient, video, and image, or slideshow rather. If I come to this part, this is an image. If you want to use image as a background, I want to use color. Can you see that now? It's very easy, right? I think I love this. So that's for the first part. Then the next one is to have an image. You can save this image and save it. Let me just save it to my system. Save it to my system. Right, so let me just save it there. Okay, then I come down to this part here. I want to add image. I'll come to this place again, click on it. Then if you want to use just a single image, you click on this. If you want to have two partitions, two images left and right, so you can use these two. So since it's a single image, I can just click on this, then click on any part you are working on. Make sure you click on it. Click on it. So once you click on it, just make sure you come here and select this part here. All right, so let me just do this. right, so if you click on this part now, I want to add image, so click on it, then upload image. If you have images in your library, you can use this one. If you don't have, come to upload image, select image. Right, then my own is on download. I'll come to download, right, so this is the image here, and I'll choose okay. So upload the image. Right, perfect. Can you see it? So this is how you upload your image. All right, so the next thing is, you can see that gradually we are getting what you want. So if you look at this, that the image is too big, click here and select the, if you want medium, can you see medium? If you want what else again? If you want large, you can see large. If you want other things, which other one again? If you want thumbnail, if you want custom, whereby you have to put the size by the how you want to be the distance, the dimension, that's the height and the width. If you want that one, you can set it up yourself. If you want full, you can set up full. All right, so let me just go with thumbnail too small. Let me go with this. I think this one is okay. So I save. All right, make sure as you are working, save. Then if you want to preview what you are doing, this is, if you click on this, then that's to preview. Can you see it? Then if you also come over to this part here, you see responsive mode. Check. You can see this is for tab, this is for phone. You can see how it is on phone. Right, if you look at it that this is too big on mobile phone, then you can come back here and do your adjustment. Come to typography and reduce a bit. Can you see that now? Right, it's very easy, very easy. You can see that. So the next thing is you save. Let's go back and continue our work. So this is for that. Then the next thing is, the next thing is you still have your text. You can copy as many text as possible. All right, you copy that. Then you come over to this place again. I click on it. I want text. I click on this part. Select text. You can see text. Now, if for example you want to do something that is different from what you have here, let's say I want two sections inside. Let's say I click on here in this part now. Can you see that I'll be able to partition that one into two? So I will click on this says here text and here to text. Can you see that? It's just a way of having a freestyle. Let me use that word. Can you see this now? Okay, can you see what I just did? Then this other part now, if I want to do something, okay, I think this image, let me save this image. Okay, let me save that image. Okay, then I'll come here. I think sorry. So I can delete. Can you see that now? I can delete that. I want to use image here. I can bring image to this part. Select, upload, choose file. So the image I want to use, this is the image, and I'll click on this part. So that is how you do this thing gradually. Okay, you can see image here. All right. So then if I still want to add beauty to it, all right, let me save my work. So then this particular one that you are seeing here, I want to style it. You come to style again. You can see style. I want everything to be dark. You can select dark. Can you see it's dark? So this is how I want it to be, right? So I can, this one that is here, if I want to do something, I come over to this place and I say space divider. I can say space. Okay, can you see this now? I can drag it up here on top of this to make it come down a bit. I can do this to be as if there's uniformity between this and this, right? So it's very easy. Okay, so since I've done this one, still go back again. Go back. So the essence of this landing page we are designing, you can see this one. This is just plain landing page with picture, and you have your button, okay, and you have your form. I'll also show you how you can create this form. That's why I told you that you need to stay with me till the end of this video. So you can see that everything that we are doing is just one step at a time. So the next thing is, we have gotten to this point. So if you still want to style it, you want to add some things to it, you can as well do that. Let's say for instance now this particular one, I want to add, where is it? Let's click here. To add background color. That's for that part. If you don't like it, you can do something. Just add your thing, do your thing the way you like it. So you can see that. Just keep on doing. So now that once you are done with all of this part, once you are done, that's how you'll be doing it gradually. Okay, you can see this we have here. This is called countdown. Now you come over to this place. If you want to add it, click on this part, then select and click on countdown. Just type it there, countdown. Can you see there? You have countdown or counter. This is countdown, so I can drag it inside. All right, can you see it now? So if you come to this part, since this one you are seeing here, you can see it's just hours, minutes, and seconds. There's no day. So the same thing here. I can turn off this day. Can you see it now? The hour. I can also these are different view. You can see inline block. So if you want it to be this part, so then now this is the timing. So you can set it here. You can edit. Right. This is the hour. Right. So you can adjust it the way you want. Due date or evergreen. Always put it in evergreen. Evergreen means once it stops, it starts back again. That's evergreen. Right, that this one you are seeing, this due date, once it stop, it stop. But this evergreen, the moment it stop, it will start again. Okay, so that is what we have there. Just again, we have to adjust. Oh no, okay, show label. Alright, so what else we have to, okay. Let's come to style. Now the style, you can see the styling we have here. You can change the color. You can see what we have here. You can change the color to whatever thing you want. Right, then you have your border radius. Can you see this? If you want it to be in circle, can you see that? If you want what else again? Padding the content. Alright, so anything at all you want to do, the adjustment is within you. So just bring in your style. Alright, bring in your style. You can bring this one down. Okay, now I haven't said all of this. I haven't said all of these things we have here. The next thing is all these are content. All these are write-up that you can copy. Okay, I also come over to this place now. You can see text. You can put it there. Then Ctrl A, paste. Alright, so you can see that. So if you want to centralize it, Ctrl A. Alright, then you can see center. Alright, so it's all of them. As I'm doing it, is the same way you can do it. The thing is, the more you practice this thing, the more you become good at it. There's no expert in code regarding anything that has to do with this. The more you practice it, the more you become good at what I'm saying here. Alright, so now that we have got to this point, so the next thing is how to fix this form. So for you to do that, come over to your site. Let me come over. Let me go to right. So let me go to my dashboard. So I'll come to my dashboard now. Then the next thing is I will click on plugins. All right. So I want to create a form. The plugin that enables us to create a formula, as you can see here, is what we call form builder or form builder. Let me use that word, form builder. So if you come here, select plugins, right? Come to this place, select plugins, and click on upload plugin. Click on upload plugin and click on choose file, right? So I'll also come over to my desktop. Onto my desktop. Where's my? Where is it? My theme. Okay. Then I'll come to WP form. sorry, WP form, that's it. This WP form. So I will install and activate. So this will help us to create the form that we want to use on our landing page. Like this, you are seeing this is a form. So anybody that fills this form, they will always be notified that somebody just placed an order by filling a form. So you can go there, check the form, then contact the person, because when you are filling a form like this, you can see that the name is there. You can put the person's name, put the person's phone number, first name, last name, phone number, WhatsApp number, home address, local government, all of this depend on how you want it. But me, I don't always advise using local government or all of this. Just go straight to whatever thing you want to do. So this plugin has been installed. Let me activate. Right, let me activate. So once I activate, I get this. So now come over to, you can see the WP form here. You can see it now. So click on new form. Can you see it here? Click on add new. Okay, click on add new. Right, what I want to create is a billing form. Just choose this template. Right, good. So now that you have done this, so this is, so we put out the things you want. Like for this particular one now, you have the name. So I'll just show you what I will pick here. If you come over to this place, you will see where it says name. I need the name. You can drag it here. You can see the name there. Then I need phone number. Can you see it there? I need phone number. Drag it there. I need address. I'll drag it there. All right. Email. I need email. All right. Then the next thing is I need drop down. Okay. I need drop down. Right, so you can see it now. Then do I need text? Text. Paragraph text. Okay, I think I will need that. Oh, there's no need. Let me just remove. So let me work with this. This is the name. So once you have selected anything you want, so to edit each and every one of them, click on it individually. So if I click on this first one, you can see the moment you click on it, this will appear. So what I want is, instead of first and last, I can just say simple. Can you see simple? If I come to advanced, if you want it to be large, you can see large. Large will cover everywhere. Right? I want it that way. That is how I prefer it. Then I come here, I mark it to be what? Required. The essence of required is that they must fill in their name. That is the essence of marking it required. Right? So I'm done with that. Next thing is I come to phone number. Phone number, I always like it international, so that anybody can put in their phone number, whether US, UK, any country can put in the phone number. I say international. Then I also mark it required. Then once I mark it required, I come to advanced and select to be what? Large. You can see large, so you can contain everything. Okay, good. The next thing is, okay, I think I need to bring this one down. So I have email. Click on email again. Right, advanced. I want it to be large also. Okay, then okay, just a email. You can say email address. Right, good. Then the next thing is this drop down. Now this is the drop down I'm talking about. Can you see the quantity required? So let me just use this as an example. I can copy this. Oh, sorry, let me just copy them one after the other. Copy this. Right, so I come here now. You can see the drop down. Put it there. Can you see the second one? You can also copy this. Right, then I come here and I'll paste this. Then come here. All right, so you can see that it's very easy to do. Okay, now if they click on this, drop down, they will have series of things to respond to. Then I can come here and say select quantity. Okay, select quantity. Then I will click on mark required. Can you see that now? Right, so these are the things. Then if I also want to advance it, I come to, instead of, is it modern? No, I don't want modern. Let me just leave basic. Then I come to large, so you can cover everywhere. Okay, then I come back here. All right, so the next thing you are seeing here is address. You can see address, click on it. Instead of just USA, put it international so that many persons can fill in their number from different country. All right, so if you come to advanced also, you can see where it's saying address 1, address 2. I don't want that. I can say hide. Okay, so address 1, address 2. Okay, I say hide. Can you see it's very, very simple. Address, city, and state. Good. Then the last thing you have here is placeholder. Okay, so you have this submit there. So instead of submit, I can say submit your order. Okay, this is the billing. I can change this name to what form. Right, then I click on save. I will get it now. It's very easy. Then the next thing is confirmation. So for everybody that fill the form, this is what they get. Okay, this is what they get. But if you want to redirect them to a different page or show page, no. So if you want to redirect them to a different page, you come here, redirect. Maybe for instance, you wanted to go to your WhatsApp after they have done filling the form. You put redirect and copy your form link, your WhatsApp link, and put here, so that the moment they fill the form, or the system will redirect them to your WhatsApp. All right, to redirect them to your WhatsApp. So any link you want them to redirect to, put it here. Then I click on add confirmation. All right, so this particular one is message. Click on add confirmation. Then you save. Okay, that is what you do. Now, how do you add the form to your landing page? So this is what we are going to. So come to embed. Can you see embed here? Click on embed. Then copy. You can see where it says copy. Use the short code. All right, use the short code. I will click on this part. I will copy the short code. Then come to your landing page and building. Then click on this. Add a new session. Then search for short code. Can you see there? Very easy. Click on short code. Then put it here. Then paste the short code here. You can see. Can you? Or is this? Or is this? This doesn't work well. Let me save and reload this page. Okay, let me reload. Perfect. Can you see the form now? This is how the form is. Okay, this is how the form is. So now that we have done this, now there's something that always happens. If you don't want to use form, maybe you want to redirect them, you want to add a button. You can add a button. Can you see a button here that says order? Okay, can you see a button that says order? Okay, so once you do this now, you now paste the link of your WhatsApp. Let's say, if for instance you say, okay, say order on WhatsApp. Okay, so you can put it at the center, then paste the link of your WhatsApp. All right, if you want to create a link, you come to create .wa.link, create.wa.link, and you see the link here. This is the link. All right, then come to this place and click on create a free one link. Then put your WhatsApp phone number. All right, put your WhatsApp phone number. Let me just put this. Put your WhatsApp phone number. Then type a message. Say hello. I want to order for your product. My name is. All right, so you do this now. You can see the way it's appearing on WhatsApp. Then you now click on generate one link. All right, click on generate one link. So once this is the link, can you see the link here? Then just copy. Can you see copy link? You may copy the link, come to your landing page. This page that says link, remove this, paste the link. That's the link. Then save. Okay, save. So the moment they order now, you made the order, Then before I go to this, let me show you what I was telling you about here. If you are creating a form, you click on this, go to your URL, redirect. So if I click on this now, I will paste the link here. Can you see the link now? And I'll click on save. All right. So for anybody that ordered the form, where is the page? Now let's preview what we are talking about now. If I preview this, can you see where it says order on WhatsApp? If I click on it, if I click on this now, can you see what it's saying? It will take you to WhatsApp and says this is the message the person will get on your WhatsApp. All right. So if I also don't want to do that, I come back to this place and fill the form. The moment I'm done filling the form, if I click on this, let me just show you what I'm saying. Let me just fill this. Okay. Then I select this now and I click on order. Can you see? That is how to create landing page with your Elementor and all of those things. So if you have questions and you are not satisfied with this video, you want to go through it again, or if you need more assistance, kindly reach out to me via my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. So if you also have issue with your Elementor, also reach out to me. Then if you want to get access to the premium version of the pro version of the Elementor I just used, send me a DM on my WhatsApp and I will give you access to it. All right. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. I love you. Hope you got value from this. Let me know in the comment section of this video. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.